Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add a disclaimer. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing I want to go ahead and do is open up a text source. Go ahead and type in your disclaimer. I like cats. Okay, this is just super simple. You could edit the text how you want to in there, obviously get better punctuation and things like that. But this is just going to be really simple, right? So we're going to right click it, go to filters, add filter, and then we're going to go ahead and add scroll on it. And then we can go ahead and change the speed and all this other kind of stuff. But let's go ahead and turn down the vertical speed, or make the vertical speed normal. And then turn up the speed like that. Now, if you want to space in between the words, what you're gonna have to do is go back to the thing, go to properties, and then put a space at the end. And then now, as you see, it'll space out I like cats, I like cats. And then put a space at the front too, I guess, apparently. There you go. Now, you have a disclaimer playing at the bottom of your video, or you could kind of put it in the corner, reverse the speed to make it make sense. Let's go ahead and do that. And now it's I like cats. But it's like in a weird, I don't know. The speeds, it's like weird. But yeah, that's how you go ahead and add a disclaimer to your video and scrolling text as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. Other than that, though, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.